Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's the new norm. I am at a point in my life where I've had to redefine the definition of peace because for the longest time I've confused it with stillness, with staying the same. But now I've realized that peace isn't always quiet. Sometimes it feels like chaos first, sometimes it looks like leaving behind a version of you that the world got used to, but you outgrew. And I know we all wait for the perfect moment to begin, to feel enough, to feel ready. But honestly, that perfect moment, it rarely comes. It's never gonna feel perfect. It's gonna hurt either way, whether you choose to change or you choose to stay the same. So, I've written a poetry about this whole situation, and it's for anyone who's on the edge, feeling scared, unsure, and still choosing to grow. So let's hear it out. It's called You'll Hurt Either Way. I used to sit with myself in the soft, quiet ache of staying the same. It was peaceful, but only the kind of peace that comes when nothing dares to grow. Starting fresh, it's messy. It's loud inside your chest. You feel seen when you're not ready to be. You stutter, your hands forget what they are doing. People watch, you shrink, you doubt. You wanna run back to the version of you who never even tried. You will feel like a fool in the middle of a crowd, your voice too shaky, not too loud. But that's how everyone begins. No one is born with the ready made wins. Mastery doesn't come in one day, it takes falling again and still choosing to stay. You have to unlearn, relearn, fall flat, and still believe, yes, I can do that. We all are beautiful just as we be, but playing safe, that's not being free. Sometimes we have to shake our ground to find the treasures not yet found. But hey, that old version of you, she's lovely, but she's not meant to be forever. She's a seed, not the tree. So yeah, when you begin, you'll look like a fool. You'll feel like an open wound in a crowded room. But healing starts like that, growth starts like that, freedom starts like that. You'll miss the comfort, the silence, the old version of you that never had to try so hard. But the comfort is not always love, and the stillness is not always peace. Sometimes real love for yourself sounds like, I am not good at this yet, but I'll keep showing up anyway. You were not made to bloom in the same pot forever, so pick your pain. Pick the one that breaks you open, not the one that keeps you quiet. Okay, so that was my cute little poetry. Thank you for hearing me out. And I wanted to share one thing that I won't be able to post as frequently as I was doing before because my college has started. I have enrolled in a master's program, and you all would agree that post graduation studies are really detailed and we need to invest a lot of time there. So please try to understand my situation. Although I'll try my best to post as much as I can. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.